Bruxism is the clenching or grinding of the teeth, which often occurs while a person is sleeping. When you brux, the force of your teeth is many times greater than during normal chewing.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Bordeaux. The organizing committee is pleased to introduce
In the grace of your love, you don't turn me away. In the grace of your love, there is no other way. In the grace of your love, every day when I wake up.
Welcome to the CNO.